Turkey.
This is a flag of Turkey.
And this is Turkey. Pin.
Part of Turkey is in Asia, and another part of Turkey is in Russia? I forgot.
Turkey has beaches and is near the Mediterranean Sea. And it is also near the Black Sea. It even has mountains that you can go skiing in Turkey.
Even if it's summer. Here are some facts about Turkey. Number 1. Santa Claus is from Turkey.
Number 2. Many turtles nest on Turkey's beaches, and those are loggerhead sea turtles.
Number 3. Turkey is responsible for spreading tulips all around Europe.
And that's the tulip flower.
Number 4. You can thank Turkey for spreading cherries and coffee all around. Number 5. The capital of Turkey is Ankara.
But the most famous city is Istanbul. Istanbul used to be known as Constantinople.
Experts believe
that agriculture started in Turkey
about 11,000
years ago.
Soccer is the most famous sport. They're also known for a type of wrestling.
Men wrestle with olive oil covered all over them, and they wear only pants. That's it. Maybe underwear under that. I'm not sure. And imagine trying to wrestle someone with the slippery. What? Due to its location in the world, Turkey has a lot of different plant and animals.
Turkey has a lot of earthquakes as well.
We have a monthly munch pack sent to us every month with snacks from all over the world. And we're going to try 3 that come from Turkey. This is called a super sour dupers. And if you are from Turkey, I wonder if you like these, if you ever tried them. Oh, I can't wait. I'm going to try the first one. Let's see how it look.
Looks like a green fuzzball.
They're super sour, but yummy. They're gooey. They're good. Really good. No.
We're gonna try sweet sour belts.
All over the world, the kids seem to like sour candy.
Yeah.
And we have 2 very similar ones. So I wonder if these taste better. I wonder. Right, here's mine. Here's yours. They're really good. Cheers. Our mom says this is the same as the last one, but I think it's different. It seems way different.
It tastes a little different.
Why is it?
I think this one's more sour.
They taste the same.
I think this one tastes better.
I think they taste just the same. Yummy. This is a Nutty Max with pistachio cream. Why was this being drawn from us from nowhere? Huh.
The only non-sour thing here. Unless it has split sour tasting.
And here's one. This is how they look.
Wow. I've never tried pistachio cream before. I've tried ice cream of it, but not
This is my bit. And it's so yummy looking.
They look yummy.
Yummy.
What is that about?
That's pistachio.
That's great. Best one here.
I love pistachios if they're salted. Or if they're covered in chocolate. I want more. They're yummy.
Thank you, you've had enough. We hope you learned a few things about talking.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
They're done. Bye.